that's craving joy I dread. Oh, I dread the blues that make you sad. You know, folks, there's a smile for every tear that's shed, yes, sir. So tell me why, oh why, should you feel bad? Don't you do it. You know, Miss Pollyanna, the little joy girl, she was right. And that's why I ask you all tonight to tell me, is everybody happy? Oh, say, that's all I want to know. Oh, do, while I'm going places, all I want are traces of your smiling faces. Don't look down and wear a little frown, just look for rays of sunshine. Oh, they're bound to be found somehow. And you know, the reflection of your smile makes this life of mine worthwhile. Is everybody happy now? Hey! The reflection of your smile makes this life of mine worthwhile. Is everybody